after 40, your body stops responding the way it used to. You may feel more tired, gain weight more easily, and even notice changes in your memory, skin, and overall strength. But here's what most people don't realize. Your daily food choices can either speed up this decline or completely slow it down. In today's video, we're revealing 12 powerful foods you should start eating every single day after 40 to protect your heart, sharpen your brain, boost your energy, and help you feel younger again. And make sure you stay until the end, because some of these foods are rarely talked about, yet they can make a massive difference in how your body ages. A great place to start is with sardines, one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your daily routine after 40. These small fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a powerful role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. As you age, chronic inflammation becomes one of the biggest hidden drivers of fatigue, joint discomfort, and even heart disease. Regularly eating sardines can help counter this process, supporting both heart health and brain function in a very natural way. What makes sardines even more impressive is their incredible nutrient density in such a small portion. They are rich in high-quality protein, which helps preserve muscle mass, something that naturally declines after 40. They also provide calcium and vitamin D, two essential nutrients for maintaining strong bones and preventing bone loss over time. This combination makes sardines one of the few foods that support both muscle and bone health at the same time, which is exactly what your body needs as it ages. Another major advantage of sardines is how accessible and easy they are to include in your diet. Unlike many other fish, sardines are low in mercury, making them safe to eat regularly. They're also convenient, affordable, and require no preparation, perfect for a quick, nutrient-packed meal. Whether you add them to a salad, pair them with whole grain toast, or eat them on their own, sardines offer a simple yet powerful way to support long-term health, energy, and overall vitality after 40. Now let's talk about blueberries, one of the most powerful anti-aging foods you can include in your daily routine after 40. These small berries are packed with antioxidants, especially compounds called anthocyanins, which help fight oxidative stress in the body. As you age, oxidative damage plays a major role in accelerating aging, affecting everything from your skin to your brain. By regularly consuming blueberries, you're actively helping your body defend itself against this process and maintain a more youthful internal balance. What makes blueberries even more impressive is their strong connection to brain health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can support memory, improve cognitive function, and even help slow down age-related mental decline. After 40, maintaining sharp thinking, focus, and mental clarity becomes increasingly important, and blueberries offer a simple, natural way to support your brain every single day. On top of that, blueberries are incredibly versatile and easy to include in your diet. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them on their own as a snack. They're low in calories but rich in nutrients, making them perfect for weight management while still delivering powerful health benefits. Making blueberries a daily habit is one of the easiest and most effective steps you can take toward better long-term health and longevity. Asparagus is one of those vegetables that often gets overlooked, but after 40, it can become a powerful ally for your overall health. It's rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation and protect your cells from damage, two key factors that contribute to aging and chronic disease. As your body becomes more sensitive to oxidative stress over time, adding foods like asparagus can help support a healthier internal environment and slow down that process naturally. Another major benefit of asparagus is its ability to support detoxification and digestive health. It contains natural compounds that help the liver process toxins more efficiently, while its high fiber content supports a healthy gut. It also acts as a gentle, natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess fluids and reduce bloating. This can make a noticeable difference in how light and energized you feel on a daily basis, especially as your metabolism begins to slow down. What makes asparagus even more valuable is its role in supporting heart health and energy production. It's a great source of folate, a nutrient that helps regulate homocysteine levels in the blood, high levels of which are linked to heart disease. At the same time, asparagus provides essential vitamins that support steady energy levels without causing spikes or crashes. Whether grilled, steamed, or added to your meals, asparagus is a simple yet highly effective food to include regularly for long-term health and vitality. Before we continue, take a quick second to support the channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps us keep bringing you high-quality content like this every day. Chickpeas are one of the most underrated foods you can start eating daily after 40, yet they offer a powerful combination of nutrients that support your body in multiple ways. They are rich in plant-based protein and fiber, which work together to keep you feeling full longer while helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. As your metabolism slows down with age, maintaining steady energy without spikes and crashes becomes essential, and chickpeas do exactly that in a simple, natural way. Another key benefit of chickpeas is their ability to support heart health and digestion at the same time. The high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels and improve gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. After 40, digestion often becomes less efficient, and this can affect everything from nutrient absorption to overall energy levels. Including chickpeas regularly can help keep your digestive system working smoothly and efficiently. What makes chickpeas even more valuable is how easy they are to include in your daily meals. You can add them to salads, blend them into spreads like hummus, or include them in warm dishes for extra texture and nutrition. They are affordable, versatile, and incredibly satisfying, making them a perfect everyday food. Adding chickpeas to your routine is a simple but powerful step toward better energy, improved digestion, and long-term health. Kiwi is a small fruit, but when it comes to health benefits after 40, it delivers far more than most people expect. It's incredibly rich in vitamin C, often even higher than oranges, which plays a key role in strengthening your immune system and protecting your body from illness. As you age, your immune response naturally becomes weaker, so regularly eating kiwi can help keep your defenses strong and your body more resilient. What really makes kiwi stand out is its impact on digestion and gut health. It contains natural enzymes that help break down food more efficiently, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. At the same time, its fiber content supports a healthy digestive system and helps prevent issues like bloating or irregularity. After 40, maintaining good digestion becomes essential for overall health, energy, and even mood. Another powerful benefit of kiwi is its connection to better sleep and overall recovery. It contains natural compounds like serotonin and antioxidants that have been linked to improved sleep quality and faster recovery overnight. Better sleep means better energy, sharper focus, and improved performance throughout the day. Adding 1 or 2 kiwis to your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support your body from the inside out and feel more refreshed every day. Mushrooms are one of the most underrated superfoods you can start eating daily after 40, yet they offer a unique set of benefits that very few other foods can match. They are rich in powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation, 2 major factors that accelerate aging. As your body becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress over time, regularly including mushrooms in your diet can help support long-term health and slow down that internal wear and tear. One of the most impressive benefits of mushrooms is their ability to support your immune system. They contain special compounds like beta-glucans, which help activate your body's natural defenses and improve your ability to fight off infections. In addition, certain varieties such as shiitake and meitake have been studied for their potential to support overall immune balance and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This becomes especially important after 40, when maintaining a strong and responsive immune system is key to staying healthy. Another reason to include mushrooms in your daily routine is their role in supporting energy and bone health. Mushrooms are one of the few plant-based sources of vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, which is essential for calcium absorption and maintaining strong bones. They are also low in calories but rich in important nutrients, making them perfect for weight management while still providing your body with what it needs. Whether added to omelets, stir-fries, or soups, mushrooms are a simple and powerful way to upgrade your daily nutrition and support your body as it ages. Cucumber might seem like a simple vegetable, but after 40, it can play a surprisingly important role in supporting your overall health. It's made up of over 90% water, which makes it one of the best foods for hydration. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at maintaining proper hydration levels, and even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and slower metabolism. Adding cucumber to your daily routine helps keep your body refreshed, energized, and functioning at its best. Beyond hydration, cucumber also supports digestion and helps your body feel lighter throughout the day. It contains fiber and natural compounds that promote a healthy digestive system, reducing bloating and supporting regularity. This becomes increasingly important after 40, when digestion can slow down and lead to discomfort. Eating cucumber regularly can help your gut stay balanced and improve how your body processes food. Another great benefit of cucumber is its impact on skin health and overall appearance. It contains antioxidants and silicones silica, which helps support skin hydration, elasticity, and a more youthful look. Since aging often shows first in the skin, adding foods like cucumber can make a visible difference over time. Whether you add it to salads, water, or eat it as a snack, cucumber is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine that supports hydration, digestion, and healthy aging. Cottage cheese is one of the most effective high-protein foods you can include in your daily routine after 40, especially when it comes to preserving muscle mass. As you age, your body naturally begins to lose muscle, which can slow down your metabolism and reduce overall strength. Cottage cheese provides a rich source of slow-digesting protein, helping your muscles recover, rebuild, and stay strong throughout the day. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a lean, active body as you get older. What makes cottage cheese even more valuable is its ability to keep you full and satisfied for longer periods. The combination of protein and low calories helps control hunger and reduce unnecessary snacking, which is key for maintaining a healthy weight after 40. It also contains important nutrients like calcium and vitamin B12, which support bone health and energy production, both essential as your body's needs evolve with age. Another major advantage of cottage cheese is how easy it is to include in your daily meals. You can enjoy it on its own, pair it with fruits for a balanced snack, or even use it in savory dishes for added protein. It's simple, versatile, and highly effective, making it one of the easiest ways to upgrade your daily nutrition. Adding cottage cheese to your routine is a smart and practical step toward better strength, energy, and long-term health. Pomegranate is one of the most powerful antioxidant-rich foods you can add to your daily routine after 40. These vibrant seeds are packed with compounds called polyphenols, which help protect your cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. As you age, this type of cellular damage becomes one of the main drivers of aging and chronic disease. Regularly consuming pomegranate can help slow down this process, supporting overall health and helping your body stay stronger for longer. One of the standout benefits of pomegranate is its ability to support heart health. Studies have shown that it may help reduce blood pressure, improve blood flow, and protect the arteries from damage. After 40, maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system becomes more important than ever, and adding pomegranate to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your heart naturally. Another reason to include pomegranate in your daily routine is its role in supporting skin health and overall vitality. The powerful antioxidants help protect your skin from premature aging, while also promoting a more vibrant and healthy appearance. Whether you sprinkle the seeds on salads, mix them into yogurt, or enjoy them on their own, pomegranate offers a delicious and refreshing way to nourish your body and support healthy aging from the inside out. Sweet potatoes are one of the best carbohydrate sources you can include in your daily routine after 40, especially if you're looking for steady energy without harmful blood sugar spikes. Unlike refined carbs, sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, which are digested slowly and provide a stable release of energy throughout the day. This helps prevent energy crashes, supports better focus, and makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight as your metabolism naturally slows down. Another major benefit of sweet potatoes is their high content of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient plays a key role in supporting eye health, immune function, and skin health, all areas that require more attention as you age. Regularly eating sweet potatoes can help protect your vision, strengthen your immune system, and contribute to a healthier, more youthful appearance over time. What makes sweet potatoes even more valuable is their versatility and how easy they are to include in your meals. They can be baked, roasted, or mashed, and paired with a wide range of foods. They're naturally satisfying, nutrient-dense, and help you feel full without overeating. Adding sweet potatoes to your routine is a simple yet powerful way to fuel your body, support long-term health, and maintain consistent energy every day. Tuna is one of the most effective lean protein sources you can include in your daily routine after 40, especially when it comes to maintaining muscle and overall strength. As your body ages, preserving muscle mass becomes essential for keeping your metabolism active and your body strong. Tuna provides high-quality protein that helps repair and maintain muscle tissue, making it a simple and powerful addition to your diet. What makes tuna even more valuable is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. These healthy healthy fats help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and support cognitive function. After 40, protecting your heart and keeping your mind sharp becomes increasingly important, and tuna offers a natural way to support both at the same time. Another advantage of tuna is how convenient and versatile it is. Whether you choose fresh or canned tuna, it's quick to prepare and easy to include in a variety of meals like salads, sandwiches, or simple protein bowls. It's also low in calories, but highly satisfying, making it ideal for weight management. Including tuna regularly in your routine is a smart and practical step toward better strength, improved focus, and long-term health. Green peas may look simple, but they are one of the most balanced and effective foods you can include in your daily routine after 40. They offer a unique combination of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that support your body in multiple ways. As your metabolism slows down with age, having foods that provide both nourishment and satiety becomes extremely important, and green peas help you feel full while still delivering steady, clean energy. One of the biggest benefits of green peas is their support for digestion and metabolic health. Their high fiber content helps regulate digestion, prevent bloating, and support a healthy gut environment. At the same time, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue and weight gain. After 40, maintaining stable blood sugar is key to preserving energy levels and avoiding long-term health issues. Another reason to include green peas regularly is their contribution to overall vitality and muscle support. They contain a surprising amount of plant-based protein, along with important vitamins that help your body function efficiently. Whether added to salads, rice dishes, or warm meals, green peas are easy to include and consistently beneficial. Making them part of your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to support digestion, energy, and long-term health. Here's the truth. After 40, your health is no longer about quick fixes. It's about smart, consistent choices every single day, and the foods you choose can either move you toward strength, energy, and longevity, or slowly work against you. Start adding even a few of these foods into your daily routine, stay consistent, and you'll begin to notice real changes in how you feel, think, and move. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because your next level of health might be just one video away.